Hello everyone, this is Otsumami channel from Japan. Otsumami is Japanese finger food that goes well with the alcohol. In this channel, I introduce Japanese foods and even history of them as well. If you're interested in Japanese culture, you've gotta watch this till the end. Okay, so let's get it started.
Today's menu is Sakura potato salad. Today, I couldn't prepare Sakura itself, so I'm going to use another things to make it look like Sakura. First of all, you've got to peel off the skin of potatoes. After peeling off the skins of potatoes, you've got to cut them into pieces. Then put the potatoes on the dish and wrap them. Put potatoes into microwave and wait for 5 minutes. In this way, you don't have to boil the water, so easy, isn't it? Put the potatoes in the bowl. And mash them. Here I teach you the otsumami technique. Instead of Sakura, I'm going to use this. This is shibazuke. Basically, it's cucumber pickles. Here in Japan, there are so many kinds of pickles, which are called tsukemono. I'm not sure whether you can get this in your country, but if you have one, that definitely provides great appearance and taste. Next, you put mayonnaise. And then, salt and pepper. After mixing it while, it turns to this color, Sakura color. And if you like, you can put parsley or basil or stuff like that. Here I put additional black pepper. And it's done! Okay, now let's eat. いただきます。That's beautiful. And it does taste good. The point is, the size of the potatoes are different. And I can enjoy the different textures at the same time. Okay, so let's move on to the drinking part. Today's drink is this. Premium Malts, Japanese beer. So let's drink. Kanpai! That's great. With this Sakura potato salad, I can feel spring.
Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. In this channel, I introduce you Japanese otsumami. Originally, tsumamu means to pick up in Japanese. Otsumami is a Japanese finger food which you can pick up and eat while you're drinking alcohol. Every time you watch this channel, you're going to take one small step to be the otsumami master. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And check the other movies as well. Okay, so see you next time. Sayonara!